Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Tonight's menu is from Chile. On the menu is Pastel de Choclo. The morning mise en place. Chicken and herbs and spices. Add the water and I'm going to cook it off. I'm going to boil 3 eggs, hard boil. Just after prep. The second mise en place, the whole shooting match. The goodies for the first layer. Going to heat some oil in the brazier. Add the green onion and the garlic and saute for about a minute. Add the beef and spices. After the beef is cooked, I add flour. Then I add some water and cook it down. The first layer is ready. The goodies for the top layer. All the top layer goodies except the eggs. Going to bring it to a simmer. This is after it's chilled out. Then I add the eggs. Here's the first layer, the beef. The second layer, which is the chicken. The third layer, which is the hard-boiled eggs. And the top layer, which is the corn mixture. Pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Here it is right out of the oven. And here it is plated. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.